Ito yung tiramisu na hindi tinipid sa layers. Creamy, rich, at hindi soak sa coffee. Naniniwala ka ba na kahit gaano kakabusog, there should always be room for dessert? Hey cuties! Second time ko na actually to visit Cafe Barbera here at SM North. Cafe Barbera is back in the metro. After years since their BGC days, they've reopened at GH Mall and now here at SM North the Block. Ang ganda ng layering at ang dami rin ng lady fingers. Bawat scoop, buo pa rin. Hindi sobrang soak sa coffee. Slight tarty lang yung mascarpone, swak sa lasa. And the best part, no alcohol. Kaya pwede sa kids. Yung mascarpone, smooth at creamy. At sakto lang yung balance ng flavor. At syempre, hindi mawawala yung usual kong order, ice mocha. Ngayon, nalasahan ko na ulit yung pait ng kape. Strong as always. May branches sila sa SM North The Block at GH Mall in San Juan. Kung di mo pa na-try, this is your sign. More than just coffee, Cafe Barbera is a spot you'll want to visit. Follow for more honest food finds around the metro.